Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Profits at China's industrial firms grew 0.8% in the first quarter from the same period last year, reversing a 0.3% decline in the first 2 months. In March, total profits of industrial companies rose 2.6%, according to National Bureau of Statistics. Oil prices edged higher on Friday, but posted a weekly decline, under pressure from market expectations of oversupply and uncertainty around tariff talks between the US and China. China exempted some US imports from its steep tariffs, in a sign that the trade war could be easing. Gold prices fell on Friday and were on track for a weekly dip as the dollar rose and signs of easing US-China trade tensions after a report that Beijing had exempted some US goods from its tariffs weighed on bullion.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
With pivotal data releases scheduled in the coming days, the economic calendar provides insight into which financial reports and economic updates are most likely to steer market activity. Traders should prepare for possible volatility. These economic indicators are set to guide market sentiment. Keeping a close watch and adjusting positions as necessary can help mitigate risks and capture opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.